Every trader is familiar with the feeling like, I want to go back and open the trade at the perfect point. But the market does not give second chances, but it always gives new opportunities. And today I want to show you the trade session with this approach. Do not regret about the past, but look for what the market offers here and now. We will open some deals and see how to let go of lost moments and focus on the present. Now we'll start working with the new strategy, but first let's do the account setup. I will use the chart type candle, it's the most convenient chart type. The time frame will be 1 minute. I need to see any price fluctuation. And now open the indicator section and choose alligator. The display settings can be left as standard. For those settings that I use, as well as the opening time of the trade, they are fully suitable. And so now I will open the trades and show you in detail how this strategy works. In the video, I share a review, and on Telegram, I post the most relevant things, analysis and moments, scenarios and key areas, and it helps to look at the market more deeply. Do you want to connect? The link is below the video. Follow and send me a personal message. Found the first suitable situation, let's break it down and open a trade. Trading time will be 3 minutes, and now we'll start with $100. I think the price will go up, so I'll press the green button to open a trade. And super, now let's analyze the situation in more detail. Look, at the market was a downward trend, indicator lines were directed downwards. The price began to rise and the indicator lines directed upwards. Once the indicator lines have crossed, this is the main trigger in the strategy. Crossing the indicator lines point at the change of trend, and now the indicator lines are pointing up, so the price will increase. As you can see, the strategy is as simple as possible and will suit even beginner traders. All you need is to open the trade in time when the indicator lines cross each other, and that's it. Later, of course, I will tell you about important rules when working with the strategy and following which will help you open trades only in safe situations. The price is rising and above the open trade line. I think I can make profit in this situation, and there is very little time left before the trade closes. And yes, guys, the first trade is profitable. So now my capital is $792. I'm already looking forward to the situation. Having spent a little time on the search, I'm ready to open another trade. The amount of the trade will remain unchanged. It's also $100, and my forecast, the price will increase. It is time to open a trade. As you can see, the situation is similar to the previous one. After a long downward trend, the price started to rise. I waited until the indicator line crossed and opened the trade. When working with the strategy, it's important that the lines of the indicator cross each other. And if you see that the indicator lines have only touched each other, then you cannot open a trade. It's too early. Also pay great attention to the choice of currency pair for work. Currency pairs in which the trend is constantly changing and does so very often are absolutely not suitable, guys. I recommend using currency pairs with medium volatility. They are more reliable and occur quite often on the charts. It's also acceptable to open a trade a bit later than the situation will arise, guys. For now, let's see how the situation develops. Everything is stable. The price is already high enough from the open trade line and does not intend to go down. I only have to wait for the completion of the trade. And bingo, guys! Second profitable trade in a row. So my capital is $884 now. But I keep on working and already looking for the following situation. The amount of the trade increases to $200, and I will open a trade to increase the price. Similar situation I have already dealt with in previous trades. It's completely similar to them. The alligator lines have crossed each other and are pointing upwards, indicating the beginning of an uptrend. For now, I'll give you a piece of advice. Always check the currency pair carefully before opening a trade. Check the past signals from the indicator. Maybe they could be false and lead to losses. And in this case, I do not recommend opening a trade in such a currency pair. It still may be unstable and a new trade will also be loss-making. It's really better to spend a little more time but find a more reliable currency pair in which you will be 100% sure. The price is fluctuating near the open trade line. There is still some time and I think the price will continue to rise. Let's wait until the trade is finished. And great, guys, the trade is profitable. My capital is now $1,068. So for now, I will find another situation and open the last trade. I think with this situation, I can increase my capital even more. I have no doubt about its reliability. Everything points to the beginning of a downward trend. And I think you will like this strategy and use it often in your work. The profitability of the strategy is 75%, which is quite high for this. I tried to show you in detail how to work with it, and now it's up to you. And yes, friends, 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. Now I was able to increase my account balance to $1,252. I think on it, we can complete the trading session for today. Today's session showed a simple truth. The market always rewards the patient ones. I waited for the perfect signals and got the results, guys. So just remember, to rush is to lose. If you're just starting, I advise you to set your goal, at least a week to trade on one system, and only then you will see the real picture. And of course, write in the comments if you're ready to take on this challenge.